Unraveling the Mystery of Whalefish. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the depths of the English language and resurface with exciting finds. Today, we're going to unwrap the meaning behind the term whalefish. Stick with us to find out not just what it means, but also how you can use it in conversation. Are you ready to make a splash with your new vocabulary? Let's jump right in. Whalefish is a term that might sound like it's about a giant fish or a tiny whale, but in fact, it's neither. Let's break it down. Whale is a term that refers to the massive marine mammals that roam the oceans. They are known for their size and intelligence. Fish, on the other hand, are a diverse group of aquatic creatures. But unlike whales, they aren't mammals. So, what happens when you combine the two? You get whalefish, but it's not just a simple blend of the two words. In reality, whalefish refers to a family of fishes known scientifically as Cetamimidi. They are deep-sea creatures and are quite elusive, meaning they are rarely seen or caught. Despite their name, they don't resemble whales at all. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Whalefish was a term of confusion for marine biologists for quite some time. It was once thought to represent 3 separate species. However, it was later discovered that they are the same species but in different stages of growth or genders, which exhibit extreme sexual dimorphism, significant differences in appearance between males and females. Now that you know what a whalefish is, how can you use this term? Describing marine life. If you're talking about the wonders of the ocean, you can mention the mysterious whalefish as an example of the unique creatures found in deep waters. Metaphorically, although not common, you could use it metaphorically to describe something that is not what it appears to be at first glance. Remember, whalefish is a specific term and isn't used as commonly as whale or fish. It's a great word to know for expanding your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in marine biology or want to impress someone with a rare and interesting word. And there you have it. You've just learned about the fascinating world of the whalefish. We hope this adds an interesting tidbit to your collection of English phrases and that you enjoyed learning about it as much as we did. Keep exploring, and never hesitate to dive deeper into the language. We look forward to bringing you more linguistic treasures on our channel. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.